Hey guys, it's Dej. So today I am doing just a brow tutorial. What I'm using is the Maybelline New York Brow Define and Fill Duo. So what this is a brow pencil on one end, and then it has brow powder on the other end. I just picked this up from Walmart the other day and decided to try it out. So if you guys are interested in how I do my brows, just keep on watching. So first we're going to use the define side, which is the pencil side. You use that to outline the outer area of your brow. I usually start with the bottom area first. And then since my brows are like sparse, I don't really go in order all the time. I start to fill it in with the define part as well. And then I go and line the top of my brow. So when filling in the brow, if you use the pencil part, if you have sparse eyebrows like me, you'll want to use strokes with the brow pencil. So you just do like little short strokes, hair-like strokes at the tail end, and then at the front, it'll be light flicks because you don't want it to look too boxy in the front. You're trying to make it look as natural as possible, so you want to make short hair-like flicks in the front. All right, and then right here, I actually am starting to go in with the powder just to make it look a bit more full. So one thing I did forget to mention before is that you do want to make sure you start off with clean brows. Brows that are cleaned up, just freshly waxed, or just cleaned up with a brow archer. That's how you get the best results. Also guys, another disclaimer, don't worry about my hair, okay? I am transitioning to natural, so I'm still working on natural hairstyles to do. Today I just had it in a puff, and then I'll be having my little two braids in the back. I ended up connecting them because I don't like when they like stick out on the side. But anyways, yeah, don't worry about my puff, y'all. It just be there sometimes. So yeah, same with the next brow. Again, I'm just starting off with that bottom line because that just shows me where I want my brow to be basically. And then I go in and add the top and then fill. So I really try to take the time to make sure my brows look as sister-like as possible. They are never twins, ever. But yeah, I just try to get them as close to looking alike as possible. It's kind of hard because my brows are sparse and they're already just like not a good shape. So I do have to take my time and put some work into my brows. Yeah, so that's another big tip with your eyebrows, ladies. Take your time. Take your time. Like, your eyebrows are the most important part of your makeup, I feel like. You can have really shitty makeup and your eyebrows be on point and you good, I feel like. And so now I'm just taking the time to go back and forth with that pencil and the powder. Again, just making sure they're full and they are the shape that I want them to be. Because this would be like for an everyday look. So with me, I don't wear makeup every day, and I don't have a chance to go through and clean up my eyebrows with concealer. So I do like to take the time and make sure they look as neat as possible when I'm not going to do makeup and go through and clean it up with concealer. So yeah, again, just take your time and you ladies will get it. I'm goofy as hell, y'all. Don't worry about it. And so this is the last tip. After you go through with the pencil, brush, whatever powder, or excuse me, whatever product you use, make sure you brush your brows. That helps the product basically blend in with your natural brows, so you don't look too boxy or too dark and just look fake. It helps your brows look more natural and hair-like. So there you guys have it. Make sure to leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.